Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is scene comprehension, has been taken from English for today, Unit 23, Lesson 2 and 3. In this lesson, it has been talked about a natural disaster, earthquake. It was happened in Nepal. It was very terrible. Now let's read out the passage. I hope you have already opened your book. Now read out the passage. Unit 23, Lesson 2 and 3. It's a dialogue among Anita, Asad and officer. The dialogue is, there is a conversation among Anita, Asad and officer. Anita is talking with officer. Officer, we heard about the earthquake in Nepal. It was terrible. Asad, yes, I am very sad about it. Anita, I am afraid there are many disasters in the world. Last month, we lost some of our land because of river erosion. We should give here underline. And last year, a cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees. What's next? Officer, well, the TV news can tell us about cyclones. What does TV news do? TV news can tell us about cyclones. And we can often see signs of river erosion. So far, no one knows when an earthquake will happen. Asad is answering. Asad is questioning, what can we do? Officer is answering, you shouldn't worry too much. We can prepare for natural disasters. Here is a leaflet. So, in our natural disaster, we can't predict natural disasters. We can't prevent natural disaster. We can be only prepared for natural disasters. Now take question answer. Match the words of column A with the similar meaning of column B. In column A, some words are given here and the meaning of the word is given in column B. Terrible. Number one is terrible. Terrible means causing great damage or harm. So A number is matched with number 2. It should be number 2. And the option is causing great damage or harm. Okay, next one is disaster. Disaster means sudden event such as flood, storm, cyclone, etc. So B number is matched with number 1 and the answer is sudden event. Sudden event such as flood, storm, etc. Okay, next one is destroy. Destroy means to damage something badly. So number C is matched with number 4. To damage something badly. Okay, then number 4, happen. Happen means occur something. So D number is matched with number 3. Number 3 here, and answer is occur something. You should follow this way to write column and B answer. Okay, next one is prepare. Prepare means make something. So number E matched with number 5. Make something. Okay, it's done. Now look at the question answer. The question is here, where was the earthquake Anita talked about? Number 1 is, where was the earthquake Anita talked about? We came to learn that the earthquake The earthquake Anita talked occurred in Nepal. Occurred in Nepal. Okay, next one. When did Anita's family lose some land? From passage we came to learn that they lost their family some land last month. Anita's family lost. It should be lost. Here is given loss, but it should be lost because the question is asked in past tense. That's why your verb should be in a past form. So Anita's family lost some land last month. How do you know? Because it's mentioned in our passage last month. Number 3, why did her family lose some land? Why? What's the reason behind? The reason is river erosion. Her family lost some land because of river erosion, one type of natural disaster. River erosion. Okay, number 4. What destroyed many buildings and trees last year? Is given answer here directly. A cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees last year. A cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees last year. A cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees. Okay, next question number 5. Which natural disaster can the TV news tell us about? Here also answer is given. TV news can tell us about cyclones. So we should write here the TV news can tell us about cyclone. Yes, the answer first one is the earthquake Anita talked occurred in Nepal. It should be here. It should be preposition in because Nepal is the name of country. Country's name. We should use preposition in. I'm sorry for that. The earthquake Anita talked occurred in Nepal. Anita's family lost some land last month. Her family lost some land because of river erosion. Okay, last year a cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees. Okay, the TV news can tell us about cyclone. It's done. Question answer is done. Now let's go to find out the true false statement. Here's given some statement. We have to find out which one is true and which one is false. First one is the earthquake in Nepal was dangerous in the last month. Yes, the information is true, so we can write here true. Number B, there are many disasters in the world. It also true. That's why we can write true. Cyclone is constructive. No, cyclone is not constructive because cyclone is destructive. So it false answer. False statement. We can write here false. Next one is river erosion is good for land. Never ever. River erosion is not good for land. So it also false statement. Right here false. Last one, preparation for natural disasters should be taken. Yes, we can take preparation for natural disasters because we can't predict any natural disaster. That's why we can be prepared only for this. So this is all about our today's discussion. I hope you have understood how you should answer matching question answer and true false. Now take your HW. Your HW number is question number 4, which is a short composition. Write a short composition on natural disaster. Write a short composition on natural disasters. Okay, this is all about our today's class. So you should take preparation, you should go through your textbook and you should practice model question also, all other exercise. Stay home, stay safe, abide by your parents and submit this HW coming Sunday and collect the previous also. Don't go outside, maintain hygiene. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.